Hi everyone, it's Hudson Falls Central School District again, our tech department, and we are taking a look at our second series of videos of our virtual learning bootcamp for parents. Today we're looking at Google Classroom.
So thanks, Brandon. So what we're looking at right here is kind of the landing page for Google Classroom. So this might be something similar to your child's in that they're enrolled in multiple Google Classrooms. So if we click on a classroom, and the default landing page, as you can see, is what's called the stream here. So the stream really is a place where the teacher might put an announcement or post the class syllabus or office hours that they're holding, but it's really not mission control. What we're going to move to next is the Classwork tab. And so as we get into Classwork, you can see there's a lot of different icons here as to what might be posted for your students. So we're working with teachers so that they arrange things in topics, that their newest work is at the top of their classwork stream, or their classwork page, excuse me. And then right here you can see what an example of an assignment would look like. So that little icon in the left-hand corner tells us that this is an assignment and there's a due date on it. So if you click on View the Assignment, you can also see the materials that the teacher attached to that assignment and where your child would turn that assignment in the top right, or maybe send a question or comment to the teacher, or maybe even add another file or resource from their drive to support the work associated with that assignment. So another place to find all the work due for all the classrooms that your child is enrolled in is to go back to that home page of all the classes, and then you can see in the top hand corner there's this little to-do widget. So clicking on that will give you an organized view of all the classroom work owed, and then again missing or done along that top tab. If you prefer calendar view, get your child into the habit of looking at it from their calendar, so you can see work due on Wednesday and Friday, and we got some work owed today. So the other two tabs Brandon's going to go through are people and grades.
All right, so the People tab is where you can see your child's teachers and you can see your child's classmates. A nice feature of this is that you can email your teachers directly from here to communicate with them. You can also, as a parent or guardian, get an email with your child's upcoming work and class activity from the last week. Let's show you what one of those look like. So this is a guardian summary from Google Classroom. As you can see, as I scroll through it, you can view your child's assignments, the due date, and a little summary of each assignment. You can see what happened the previous week, so you can kind of help stay on the same page and make sure everybody's doing the work that they need to.
All right, so speaking of that work, there's one more place that we want to take you. So we're logged in as a student to our Google Classroom, and if you want to see your grades as a student, that is under the Classwork tab. So we're going to click on the Classwork tab, and you'll see a part at the top that says View Your Work. Now when you click that, you'll see all the assignments that your teacher has assigned to you, and if the teacher has returned it with a grade, you'll see that grade off to the right hand side. Now not every teacher uses this for grading, and not every teacher may return all assignments with a grade, but it's just a good idea to give you a good idea of what your grades might be in that course.
All right, so that was a look at Google Classroom for our families that might be doing a little bit of virtual learning over the next school year. As always, if you have any questions about Classroom, about any of the technology that your student is using, feel free to give us an email. We're help@hfcst.org, or give us a phone call at area code 518-681-4357.